need to set up the receiver program. Open Arduino IDE, select the converter COM port, and open the serial monitor. Set the baud rate and select both NL and CR, then enter the following command shown on the screen. After entering the command, disconnect the REYAX LoRa module and connect the Arduino Pro Mini. Select the board as Arduino Pro or Pro Mini and upload the receiver code. The code download link is available in the description. After uploading, the receiver side setup is completed. Next, set up the transmitter side. Just like the receiver setup, connect the REYAX LoRa module to the PC, select the correct port, and enter the required command in the serial monitor. Once done, disconnect the LoRa module and connect the Arduino Pro Mini. Select the board and port like before. Now you can adjust the values according to your tank's empty distance and full tank distance. Keep the minimum full tank distance at 25 centimeters. Finally, upload the transmitter Arduino code. The code link is attached in the description. I designed this PCB using EasyEDA and exported the Gerber file, BOM file, and CPL file. Then I ordered the PCB from JLCPCB. First, open the link in the description and upload your Gerber file. After that, select the PCB color, thickness, quantity, and other settings as needed. Next, enable PCB assembly and upload the BOM file and corporal file. Once everything is uploaded, you can preview your PCB and check all the details. Then enter the product description, click Save to Cart, and set the PCB assembly quantity. Finally, proceed to secure checkout, enter your shipping address and payment details, and wait for the delivery.